Garden Superspeedway Park. Can you see it? It's hailing. For freaking sakes, it's halfway through April. And it's hailing. What the heck? I must admit, there were several years ago where living on Vancouver Island and it snowed 14 inches just out of the blue. The best laid plans. Listen to that. Well, it is Canada after all. This is supposed to be the desert for Canada. And here we have the mountain, the Dino Mountain. Still waiting for one big track to be moved in. And eventually, I want to put a slalom course on the mountain, zigzagging between all of the different lines and runs.